You don't want a house, you want a home. And you don't want any home, you want the Grove Bois de Chandelle. And I've put on my best suit to tell you just that. Well, I've put on half my best suit. Now I can hear you from behind your screens. Why the Grove Bois de Chandelle? Well, because you have a home with great value, design, community, and location. Located in the ever-growing heart of the West, choosing the Grove means choosing a lifestyle of convenience and connectivity to the smart city nearby. And when we say nearby, we're talking minutes. 1 minute away from Spark Sports Center, 5 minutes away from Flic-en-Flac Beach, 2 minutes away from Cascavel Shopping Mall, Gazela Nature Parks, 5 minutes away. And with access to schools, university, Tamarina Golf Resort, and so much more. Now, what do you actually get with a townhouse at the Grove? You get your own private swimming pool right here beside your townhouse. Connected to a community that feels like home, you're embraced by the Grove Park, a living and breathing backdrop to your everyday. 2 reserved parking spots for your rides, a sweet terrace, and a balcony, because having just one or the other is just not enough. 3 or 4 bedrooms, depending on the unit. And right here, common spaces invite you to share moments and make memories right here in the West. And all that in an amazing neighborhood. We're talking peaceful streets, family-friendly vibes. It's the kind of place where neighbors say hi, kids ride their bikes, and the sun sets. Oh, and by the way, in case I didn't tell you, Phase 1 is already sold out, Phase 2 is under construction, and there are only a few units left in Phase 3. So if you are looking for a lifestyle-driven home in Mauritius, the Grove Bois de Chandelle en vaut la chandelle. So this means you should get off this video and get in touch with the sales team at Medine Property right now to get your own townhouse, Bois de Chandelle.